my name is Charles, and I made a tower defense game. My goal is to make a fully functional tower defense game with multiple enemies and multiple towers to use. My design is I used the design from www.kenny.nl for my towers, map, and enemies since I'm a cheap person. Program, this is some program stuff. It's big and blurry. Test/rethink. We ran into a lot of bugs, especially with the rocket mechanics since it has to blow up, and the variable names because I can be really annoying when I want to be. Demo. So the enemies will come here. There's different types of towers with different costs. There's different types of enemies, but that will take a long time to show you.
Okay, can you explain to us what the cost of or the buttons and how do you interact with the game?
So the way it works is that there's different enemies every level. Like at some levels, there's more different enemies that spawn. There's these different towers. Like this one costs 100. This one costs 50, and this one they cost they all get like more and more. Like the cost becomes
Expensive.
more and more. Yeah, and then they each are better than, like, the more expensive they are, the better they are.
More damage.
Yeah.
Okay. What
Like this is the area I get the most. So there's here it's like if the wave is smaller than 5. I mean, if 5 is bigger than if the wave is smaller than 5, then the only enemies that can spawn is from 0 to 1 enemies, like the type of enemies, and that's just the basic enemies. So if wave is greater than 5 and wave is smaller or equal to 10, then it can spawn from 0 to the second enemy. So it can spawn the first and second enemy, and it goes on to like.
How many different enemies do you have?
I think I have 7 actually.
7. Okay, awesome. Do you have any questions?
No.
No. All right, let's give a round of applause. Thank you.